Hi, welcome to another Product Spotlight. I'm John, and today we have something from Atlas to look at. So let's head over to the workbench. Alright, so here's what we're looking at today. This is an O-scale 40-foot plug door boxcar. This comes from Atlas, and it's in their Trainman series. They have the 3-rail version that goes for $69.95, and the 2-rail version, which is what this is, they go for $72.95. As always, keep in mind these are MSRPs, and if you shop around at your favorite retailers, online or in person, you'll probably find the one you're looking for less. So keeping that in mind, it's best to look at Atlas's website so you can see what they're offering too. This car has really good detail on the side, especially around the door. It almost looks like the door should open. It doesn't, but it looks like it should. Something I'm finding a little surprising is that these, usually in O-scale, that stuff is separately applied. The ladder on this side, though, is separately applied, and it looks really good. Also, the logo looks really good. Looking at the brake end here, you can see a lot of good separately applied brake wheel, brake platform, ladder. I think the tack board is also separately applied. It's kind of hard to tell, but it looks like it is. And from this angle, you can see that the roof walk is also separately applied. We'll take a closer look at that when we look at the roof, but not bad for a Trainman series. Here's a look at the other side of the car. Something I'm really enjoying here is the detail in the trucks. You can see journal box detail. They look like they lift up even. They don't, but they look like they could lift up. And then these are actually springs here. That's pretty cool. I mentioned a minute ago that the roof walk and associated detail looks to be separately applied. It is. And it looks like etched metal, but I think that's actually plastic. And it's done in a way that looks really good. Also on the top, you can see it has these little patterns where the roof is. That always looks really good when you weather it. This looks to be a lot of separately applied brake rigging detail. That's pretty cool, especially for a Trainman series model. So also from this angle, you can see that it comes with metal wheels, and these are body-mounted couplers. I think this is a really cool model from Atlas, and it's better than what I expected to see from the Trainman series. A lot of really good separately applied detail, and I've mentioned it before, I'll mention it again, and I'll probably mention it the next time I have one of these models to look at, but I really like these billboard-style boxcars. There's something about them that's just really nostalgic. Anyway, great job, Atlas, and I'll see you next time.